This is a little bit of Mary Kay history. These are trays that are magnetic. So as products come and go, I put them into these trays, limited edition, discontinued items. So it's fun to pull out one of my many trays and create a look. And it's a game I play with myself. Just something that I choose to just pull out at random, and I create a look only from the products that are in there. So let me show you what happens. Here's my finished look. A soft blue, a soft lavender, plum, a darker plum. Used it wet as an eyeliner. I used it as a lip liner and filled in, added a little gloss, and then I used a darker blush as a contour up here as well, a medium color blush, a light color eyeshadow for a highlighter, and I'll show you a picture of what I used.